This is pretty wild. We're actually filming 2 different vlog episodes or 2 different show episodes today. One is with the go-kart and one is the oven and powder coating. Now that we have the powder coating oven getting it up to temp, it can get up to, we ran it to 470 degrees to make sure that we could do super chrome. It got to temp. We are going to go ahead and put the metal skin on the outside. We wanted to do it in the next month after talking. If we can continue to pound out jobs, it's gonna be about 2 weeks. We'll get the metal sheeting and we'll go ahead, just rivet it onto it, and then that way we're ready to go ahead and go. So right now I've got to clean up, and then we've got some illusion orange as well as some platinum silver powder coating that we've got to do. First, on the platinum silver parts, we need to do a primer, and then we've got to do the platinum silver. On the other parts, it's just the illusion orange, and then of course the clear vision. I'm gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna jump back on here and get some powder coating done. So the first pieces that we're gonna be doing in the new oven are these pieces for this Jeep. Customer already had them blasted and brought them to us. We also have this steering system, which I believe is also for a Jeep, that we're gonna see if we can get ready. We need to get primer on those first pieces first. So what we might do is the primer while we go ahead and get ready to lay the orange. What I'm considering doing is not just doing these 2 Jeep parts, but also getting a couple of these fenders hanging in there. That way we can just do them all at the same time. Okay, so we got our first pieces done in the oven, all primered up nice, looking good. Got them all done. The oven worked great. Super excited about it. Really liking the fact that we can kind of double or even triple production. Super happy. And we're actually gonna possibly go down to a 4-day powder coating work week and a 3-day work week where we're working on a go-kart and we're working on the G23 build. That way we can have about 2 to 3 powder coating videos a week, as well as at least 1 to 2 go-kart and car build videos a week. That way we can keep you guys entertained with the other stuff that we do and everything else that we're having fun with and just inspiring you. I'm gonna be pulling these out of the oven. I don't know if I'm gonna show you that, but we'll go over them and check them out. We do have 2 more fenders we want to primer. That way they're primered, ready to go, and we can go ahead and do them all in the platinum silver that we're gonna be doing. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the 710 Performance Vlog. Today, we've stepped it up. We finally went ahead and went to Tractor Supply. Shout out to one of our followers on Instagram, and I'm trying to remember his name. I'll get it back to you. But shout out, he said Tractor Supply has 100-pound propane tanks. They're $150. Then you got to get it filled, and for us it was like $63, $64 to get it filled. So definitely a huge difference in the size, and this should go ahead and last us a lot longer than these little ones, especially with the bigger heater. Right now, we are heating the oven up so we can go ahead and cure this clear vision that we did yesterday. Done up on these orange steering rods, steering setup for a Jeep. They're ready to go in the oven. We're just waiting for the oven to get to temp. And then the fenders that you see hanging in the background and such, all of that's gonna be done in platinum silver. We're gonna go ahead and get to rocking on those right after we get these steering pieces done. While we're getting that done, we're also going to be working on welding together the rack that we're gonna use to roll in and out of the oven. That way we don't have to carry everything in there, because I'll tell you what, carrying stuff in there yesterday was a beast, huh? It gets hot in there, and when you gotta walk 8 feet back into it, it definitely gets warm. Let's keep it rocking. We went ahead and got these steering parts finished, the Illusion Orange, and I'll have to post some pictures if I can remember. This color is amazing. Sorry we didn't get video before we wrapped it up. Just the customers on the way. These two pieces came out absolutely amazing. As a matter of fact, I love Illusion Orange so much that I'm now changing the theme on the dub, and I think we're gonna go with like a diamond pearl, like a pearl with a flake white, and this Illusion Orange. So the wheels will be Illusion Orange, the wrap and everything will be like a diamond pearl white, and then the brake calipers will probably be white with orange writing, or white and orange. I don't know, center caps probably white if the wheels are orange. And then all the other trim in orange. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm super excited about it. I think I might stick with that. I was thinking matte black, lime green, because lime green's like my favorite, well, neon yellow. It's kind of like one of my favorite colors. So I was really thinking about that, but matte black is very hard to keep clean. So I'm thinking that the diamond pearl white and the orange. Let us know in the comments down below what you think and what your thoughts are on matte black and neon yellow, or the pearl white and orange. Let me know, because that orange is bad. What's up, everybody? We're gonna go ahead and finish up these Jeep parts that we've been doing. We powder coated them with the zinc primer. Now we're going to go ahead and hit them with platinum silver from Prismatic Powders. Now that we're getting a new powder coating system, this Eastwood gun definitely likes to do the job real good now.
Yeah.
Now, we really never had no issues powder coating over the zinc primer. It was second coats like Illusions and stuff like that that we were having the issue with.
So we're selling this one.
Yep, we are gonna sell this one. So we're finishing up the last of the Jeep fenders, platinum silver. This hot coat PCS 1000 is actually working really good on these pieces. Jeremy's got the first view of the pieces done. The first of these pieces done.
They look amazing. Should I show them?
Yeah, show them real quick. Okay, so we were slacking on some video and we didn't get any shots of the platinum silver parts actually finished. They've all cooled down. The customer's on the way to pick them up. We put them back in the original boxes that he brought them in, and they look like brand new pieces and they're ready to go. Those are all done. The steering parts for the Jeep that are orange over here, Illusion Orange, that we showed you just a bit ago, those are done. The customer's on the way to pick them up. Now it's time for us to get started welding. We actually may wait until tomorrow morning to start doing. We wanted to give ourselves a little bit of time off. It is 3 in the afternoon and we're waiting for some customers. So what we'll probably do is get some stuff laid out and then get ready to start welding this together first thing in the morning. We want to thank you guys for checking the videos out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Got him. If you found any value in this video, give it a big old thumbs up. It does help us with the YouTube algorithm and it helps us to grow. I also want to say a big thank you. We hit 600 subscribers. That is a huge accomplishment for us and we appreciate all your support. We've got big things coming and we're excited to show them to you. Have a great day.